everyone, this is Carolyn from Known as Nutty Crafts, and I'm going to show you a really quick project, and I mean really quick project. So what you're going to need is some decoupage. You can use acrylic paint, but I chose to use some chalk paint, whatever brand you want. This is Folk Art. I used a metallic gold paint, and again, I think this is Folk Art. So, but you can use whatever brand you want. I want to show you this quick little tray. This is, I got this at Micheals, and it has a little stopper here. And this is a glitter tray, so you can do your glittering over it, and then, you know, just tap it so it goes down on the bottom so that you can go ahead and put it back into your container. And I have this big thing of glitter here. I believe I got this at Micheals at one time. But this is the glitter I'm using. So today we are going to do these little ornaments. They come plain colored wood, like you would see like this, okay? They come in a pack of 6. They're at Hobby Lobby, and they're for $2.49. If you go now, you can get it 50% off. I got these little soldiers, or excuse me, nutcrackers. They're like paper. You see, like they're 3D. They have the little sponges. It comes in a pack of 6, again, from Hobby Lobby, and they are $3.99. Again, get them on sale. Then I used for the, to hold the ornament, I had some, it's like a rope in gold, and this I believe I got at Micheals. So, in the ribbon section. So that's the products, that's all that I used on this. So the first thing I did is I painted them all with my chalk paint white. This is only one coat. If you're really good, you don't have to do the edges. I chose to put a coat on the edges of it. Then at the top, I took the gold metallic paint and I just did the top. You could do silver, whatever. You can glitter this if you want to, but that's up to you. I cut the string at 9 inches and I just tied it with a knot at the top. Then I took my Mod Podged it and glittered it, as you can see. I have a heat dryer, so I went ahead, each time I did a layer of something, I just took the heat dryer just to dry it to make it go a little faster. Once you've gone ahead and you've gotten all these steps, yours is done. You're going to take your little guy and you're going to put some hot glue on him on the back. Make sure you get his legs, because otherwise his legs kind of curl up. That's something I learned. You got to be quick because on the paper, for some reason, it dries pretty quick. I'm going to stick him right on top. I'm just going to press down just a few seconds on it, and voila, he's on the ornament. And look how cute that is. So each of these guys in the pack, you can tell they're all different guys in the pack of 6. And this is a cute little ornament. You can make these as ornaments, or you can do them as gift tags if you want to as well. You can put a little to from if you want to do that on the back, or the date that you made it, and then maybe they can hang it from there on their tree for the next holiday. So that's it from Known as Nutty Crafts, and happy holidays. Bye.